In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung S24 Ultra to Sony TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a smart TV from Sony, you will be able to easily connect your S24 Ultra. This will allow you to mirror the screen of your smartphone. You can watch videos, you can watch Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, whatever you wish, and it will be reflected into the TV. All that you need is to make sure that your Sony TV has smart capabilities. So it must be a modern smart TV. But 90% of the modern TVs nowadays will have these capabilities, so you don't have to worry. So on your S24 Ultra, swipe down from the top, and you will see this menu here with a bunch of options. What you are looking for is Smart View. So it will say Smart View Mirror Screen. If you don't see it here in this specific spot, then look through the pages of the buttons available here, and you will be able to either find it or add it as a new option. So all that you have to do once you find Smart View is to tap on it. Inside of Smart View, this will allow you to project your screen into any nearby device. What you have to do is make sure that your smartphone and the TV are on the same network. So go over to the Wi-Fi settings and ensure that you are using the same Wi-Fi network between both devices. As long as the Wi-Fi is the same on your TV and your smartphone, when you go to Smart View, the Sony TV is going to appear alongside any other TV or device that can also be connected to your S24. So all that you have to do is select it. Immediately upon doing this, the mirror screen will begin, and you will see whatever is being presented on your S24 Ultra's screen on the TV instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S24 Ultra to Sony TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.